To make KFC's famous Zinger burger, start by marinating a chicken breast in salt, pepper, and mustard paste for 15 minutes. Next, make your batter by adding 3 large tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 beaten egg, and some chilled water to a shallow bowl. Mix until everything is combined. Prepare a second shallow bowl with just all-purpose flour. After your chicken is marinated, dip it into the wet batter on both sides. Then dip it into the dry flour until it is covered. To fry your chicken, pour oil into a cast iron skillet to a depth sufficient to completely submerge the chicken and heat over medium-high heat until the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the chicken to the pan and cook until it is crispy and golden in color, about 7 to 9 minutes, flipping after 4 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest for 10 minutes. To assemble your burger, cut the burger buns in half and spread mayonnaise and vinegar on the bottom side. Then add a slice of cheese, your chicken, and some shredded lettuce. Add the top bun and enjoy.